In this video, I am going to show you the best possible way that you can try to make your phone faster. So first you have to go to settings, and after you go to settings, you just need to scroll down and you have to go to additional settings, and you can see here process manager. You can see the third party apps, so no third party apps are at the moment running. You can see the system apps, those which are running. So at the top you can see deep clean up and all running processes of third party and system apps. You just need to click on this and it will say end all processes. So I will click on end all, and you can see that everything has ended and a lot of memory has been freed up. So settings, this is also running, so I'm also closing that. So under 1 minute you can make your phone quite faster. Thanks for watching this video. See you all again next time in another video, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And your one like and your one subscription is a huge motivation for us to make more and more videos like these. Take care.